How to fix lag in Destiny 2. Click the Windows key and R at the same time, and then type in %appdata% and then click Bungie, Destiny PC, press. Now what you want to do is click the CVARs and then find here that low latency mode is set to 0, and then there's another option here in the mouse smoothing mode where you can set the value to 0. What this will do is make sure that your aim is exactly what you want it to be, and if your game is causing any problems, just go back and revert these changes. So let me show you some other things you can do to improve. So make sure that you go to Xbox Game Bar here and then click off. You can also choose a different power plan. So go to advanced power settings, go to processor power management, and make sure that your maximum processor state is at 100%. And there you go. That's some of the ways to fix the lag in Destiny 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.